From our sources, we are learning that Lokard's exchange principle is being used to crack this rape and murder case of a female medical student in RG Kar Medical Hospital of Kolkata. Police sources have also told CNN News 18 that the accused's earphone is a very important clue in this matter. Sources have in fact told CNN News 18 that they saw CCTV in which the accused was wearing earphone while entering this particular hospital building. But as per the CCTV, this earphone was not there when they went out. CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sengupta in fact is joining us on the broadcast as well early this morning. Kamalika, very good morning to you. First up, please tell us a bit more about what exactly is this Lokard's exchange principle. Apart from that, what are the very crucial and glaring inputs that we have picked up straight from our sources in this particular case?
See, Lokard exchange theory principle is a principle of a forensic principle where it is said that whenever whenever a criminal does a crime, he leaves something on the place of occurrence and also takes something from the place of occurrence. This is a very old theory where it is always found, that is the theory, that the criminal leaves some mark or something which helps in the investigation. Now, in this case, what we are learning from our sources, that this accused, Sanjoy Rai, he left his earphone in the place of occurrence where this murder and rape took place. And then, and this was revealed when they checked the CCTV. He came when he came inside the hospital, he was wearing the earphone. While he was going out, he was not wearing the earphone. So now that has become one of the major clues of cracking down this case. And what we are learning from our sources, that not only this earphone, there are other such evidences. There is other such evidence which the accused has left there or taken from there by mistake, and the police is investigative on that. And forensic experts have come on the very first day. So this the evidences which they have collected from there, all those investigation has been, all those evidences now are properly being also checked, so that the motive of this heinous crime can be detected. So this is a very interesting thing. Very scientifically, this thing is now being investigated. That's what we are getting in from the sources. Number two is, this is a very heinous crime, and there was multiple injuries on the dead body. So there is a clear signal of rape, and the police is working on that.
Right, Kamalika. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments on that story. Right now, we have got more reactions also coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those.
यहाँ का, ये सरकार का स्टेट सिस्टम से अगर पोस्टमार्टम हो तो जो सच्चाई है वो फिर से दब जाएगा, ये हमारा पूरा विश्वास है। हम लोग सीबीआई चाहते हैं और केंद्रीय अस्पताल से हम लोग फिर से पोस्टमार्टम करना चाहते हैं।
The related family wants any other agency to do the probe. There will be no objection from the side of state government. Police Commissioner also said that. And we just observing BJP and CPM, they are making politics of vulture.
और ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, पश्चिम बंगाल आज सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश बन गया है। सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश है। यह चिंताजनक है कि जहां एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, वहां महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है। यह ममता की निर्ममता है, संदेश खाली होता है।
প্রথমত যে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছে অত্যন্ত নরকীয়, আমি বলবো মর্মান্তিক, এবং মুখ্যমন্ত্রী রাজ্য সরকারের যে অবস্থান সেটা ইতিমধ্যেই স্পষ্ট করে বলেছেন। এবং 24 ঘন্টার মধ্যে যিনি মূল অভিযুক্ত তিনি গ্রেফতার হয়েছে, এটাও আপনারা সকলে দেখেছেন। কিন্তু আজকে যারা এই ঘটনাটা ঘটিয়েছে সে পুলিশ না ইঞ্জিনিয়ার না খেলোয়াড় না রাঁধুনি না আর্কিটেক্ট না শ্রমিক না কৃষক, একটা ধর্ষকের তো কোনো জাত হয় না, সে ধর্ষক। একটা খুনির তো কোনো আইডেন্টিটি হয় না, সে খুনি। সে তো খুন করেছে। যে ধর্ষণ করেছে সে পুলিশ না ডাক্তার না আর্কিটেক্ট না শ্রমিক না কৃষক, এই দেখে তো লাভ নেই। সে আগে ধর্ষক, সে আগে খুনি। এ সমস্ত লোকেদের সমাজে থাকার অধিকার নেই।
With that, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more news and updates right on the other side.